A deleted image from Leonardo AI. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Artists YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can restore the image that you have deleted mistakenly, or you might have deleted and now you want it back. So how you can exactly restore that image which you have deleted. So guys, now see, I'll tell you, actually Leonardo AI does not have the direct option to restore your image. You cannot just you cannot have the recycle bin folder option available here. Just like in our Windows, we have the recycle bins. As you can see here, we have the recycle bins. We also have recycle bin folder in our mobile, right? We can just restore it if we change our mind later. But in the Leonardo.ai, we do not have the recycle bin. We cannot directly restore the image from the account itself. Okay, so right now at the moment, Leonardo does not have that option available. Maybe in future they might launch this feature, but right now they don't have it. So in that case, how you can actually restore your image? So in that case, I'll give you one example. See, suppose you have deleted I'll tell you one thing. There is only one way that is possible. Like you have created, like if you have created 4 images, right? 4 images. By selecting the 4 section, you have generated 4 images, and 2 of them you have deleted and you only have the 1. Then you can simply, what you can do is click the another image and copy the prompt. Okay, copy the prompt and then go to image generation, and then you can generate the image from that same prompt and try to find that exact image that you were trying to looking, okay, that you were trying to look. So this is how you can get a similar image, or they might the AI might give you the same exact image. I'm not sure about that, but this is what you can do. Or the another way you can do is you can simply you can simply contact that. Click on here, FAQ and help. So when you click there, you can search for the articles, or you can simply contact support. Click on the contact support, and then here what you need to do is you need to contact them, and then they will help you. They might help you. I'm not sure, but you can just email them. As you can see, this is their email, support@leonardo.ai. So they might be able to help you out on this particular situation, but I'm not sure whether they restore your image or not. But you can still approach them and ask them your image, right? So this is how you can approach it to restore a image that you have deleted. I hope this video definitely helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care.